normally when you are creating an Etsy listing, it probably takes you somewhere between 10 and 30 minutes to list an Etsy listing. Now, that depends on, your skill level, how familiar you are with it, etc. But what if it could take you 2 minutes? So let's just say on average it's 12 minutes to create a listing, but now you're getting that down to 2 minutes. So that's saving you 10 minutes every single time. How does that actually add up? So if we're talking about in time wise, it's going to be, okay, 1 times 10 minutes every single day, say times 30 days is 300 minutes, divided by 60 minutes, that's 5 hours. Let's just say, for example purposes, that you charge $60 per hour. That means you've just saved yourself, by using an automation, you've saved yourself $300. Now, the automation itself costs $297. So in the first 1 month, you've actually made your money back. It's paid for itself. So then every month going forwards, you're going to be saving either 5 hours of your time or $300. Sounds good, doesn't it? So when you think of it this way, automations make a lot more sense because they help you to scale your business. So if you think about, okay, what could I do with 5 hours in my business? That's a lot of creating time. So if you're creating digital products, imagine what you could create in another 5 hours and list in your store, and how much money that could turn into. So try to think of automations from that side. It's saving you time, it's saving you money, and it's freeing up your time to do other things that you actually enjoy, because nobody enjoys the listing side. Well, I don't know anyone that does. So I want you to think of it from that angle. So instead of spending 12 minutes, you spend 2 minutes pressing a couple of buttons and it's done. And it does it consistently. So if you think about every time you do a listing, you have to upload images, you have to format your titles and descriptions and tags, and you're just repeating that on every single listing. And to me, it's brain-numbing work, so I'd much rather be doing something else like designing. So the automation actually does all of this for you. So it uses AI, it's trained up on what it's going to actually put in there, the format that it's going to put it in, and it just does it for you. Now, yes, it does make mistakes every now and then, and it might have a tag that is slightly too long. And so there are slight tweaks that you might have to make along the way. But in general, say 99.9% of the time, works perfect. Now, if you're someone that likes to batch create products, this saves you even more time, because you could batch create them, run them all through the automation, have them sitting there in your drafts, and then just drip feed them out as you want to. So you do have the option with the automation to either have them publish or have them save as drafts. So I purposefully have them set automatically to be going to drafts, but there's just one more module that you connect if you want it to be published, and that's all set up for you so you can choose which one you actually want to use. So in this playlist, I am actually going to go through and I am going to show you exactly how I automate my Etsy listings and how I've got it down to minutes rather than hours each month. And you'll get to see more of the behind the scenes, how it all works, and how it can really benefit you as an Etsy seller selling digital products. Because at the end of the day, we want to save time, save money, save effort, keep that creative flow going without having to fill your brain up with this really horrible task like, oh, what should I put in here? What descriptive words should I use, etc. So this is going to really help you to speed all of that up. If you already know that this is a shortcut that you want, I will leave a link to my Etsy listing automation in the description and the comments for you. Plus, if tech isn't your thing, I do have an installation service where I can install it for you. I just need you to actually set up your Make account and connect all of the apps first. And so I have instructions on how all of that works as well. So if you don't want the tech headache, but you would like this set up for you, we can definitely do that as well. So in the next video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you can see exactly how this works and why it's such a game changer for your business. So you'll be able to see that in the next video, which will be up here somewhere.